Gemini, welcome sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng May 2024. Ang timestamp ng ating reading ngayon ay May 18, 2024 sa ganap na 2:33 p.m. Okay, Gemini? So, sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga multi-Tagalog readings. And remember na ito ay isang collective reading, hindi to personal reading. So, maaaring mag-resonate sa certain group of collective na channel natin. Alright? And kung hindi to mag-resonate sa inyo, it only means na ang reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo. Okay, Gemini? So, let me just shuffle the cards in front of the camera and I'll see you guys in few seconds, okay? Hi, Gemini. So, simulan na natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading, no? Sa timestamp na May 18, 2024 at 2:34 p.m. Kukuha tayo ng 7 cards para sa inyo, Gemini. Ito ay isang current energy check-in para sa buwan ng May 2024 and maaaring mag-resonate ito onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Okay. So, ito na ang inyong mga cards. Ang gamit natin ay actually isang oracle deck. Wala siyang actually pangalan, more on affirmation. When I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. And at the back nitong card na to sabi, when I think I have surrendered, I surrender more. Alright? So sana nag-resonate kayo dito sa ating bagong oracle deck na gagamitin. Okay? So, sa first card mo, first position, I mean, love, lumabas na doon sa reading ka gabi, Libra or Aquarius, and then meron kang team na pass. And then, shuffle natin to, I swear. So, may mga repeating cards, no? Ito, bago to. The more energy and intention naman to. Okay. Position 3. Sa position 4 mo, nandiyan ang trust. Mga bagong cards to. Nice, nice. Okay. Position 5, nandyan ang growth. Sa 6th position, nandyan ang wow, lumabas din to sa Aquarius yata. At same position tong card na to. I swear, shuffle natin sa maaari may Aquarius energy kayo. Anyway, ginawa natin to so far sa mga air energies. So, most likely, may mga similarities na cards across Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. And at the center, nandyan ang love. Okay. Makikita niyo ang ganda ng cover niya. So, para siyang leaf na drawing. Tapos may sun or yellow stone sa gitna, which means sunshine, positivity, optimism, yon. Okay? So, simulan na natin. Okay. Sa first position, when I lean toward love, I am led. I'm pretty sure it's either Libra, Aquarius din na nasa first position to, no? Sabi dito kasi, since ito ay nasa release position, I think it's about time na to let go of something na nag-hold back tayo kasi, o baka takot tayo sa magmahal. Ganon, no? O, hindi natin hinahayaan na pagmamahal ang manguna or gamitin nating frequency, no, pag may kailangan tayong i-let go ng mga bagay or kailangan pakawalan or about time na mag-venture sa bagong simula. Unleash, no? Release in meaning yung nakaraan and release din yung hino-hold back mo. So, unleash. So, either takot tayo na lately na mag-venture to some situations and connections. For some reason kasi, medyo avoidant tayo dun sa love frequency at the moment. Kung nasaktan tayo sa mga situations in the past or recently lang. Or medyo mas lamang yung mga frequency natin na malayo sa frequency ng pagmamahal. Okay? Kung tayo ay may mga lingering energies pa ng mga anxiety, worries, no, sadness, anger, hatred sa mga situations and connections. It's about time i-let go na daw yun. Okay? And mas taasan natin yung vibration natin. So, ang love frequency is 639 Hz. And it is the strongest force in the universe. It's enough para mabago yung reality, yung situation mo. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi dito. At position 2 naman, no, Gemini, lumabas tong eye na to, is parang Tristico, Evil Eye, Eye of Horus, no, all powering to. Okay? It could also be yung sa Tristico, ang ating Santissima Trinidad, the Holy Spirit, yung gaze ng Panginoon sa lahat ng creation niya. You know, this thing. So, ang sabi dito, I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. So, may sense of parang reconciliation and forgiveness tayo na kailangang gawin. Okay, Gemini? Sa mga tao or situations before na sabi natin hindi naging maganda ang outcome or maganda ang ending. Pero it doesn't mean na tapos na. Okay, kasi I kind of sense may parang reconciliation or coming around energy dito, no? So, pag bumalik tong si person mo or yung situation na to, no? Hayaan na natin yung nangyari in the past. Huwag na natin munang isipan yun. Completely i-wash out na natin. I-let go na natin yung nangyari between you and your person or yung sa situation na pinagdadaanan mo in the past. Kung may turn around to, parang clean slate ang sinasabi dito, no? See someone for the first time uli daw. Or the situation for the first time with the eyes of love. Love and love. So, yung release as something to do dito sa kailangan mo ipagpatuloy, no? Connection to. May connection to kasi in order for you para magawa mo to, kailangan may i-let go tayo or may tanggapin tayo, may i-embrace tayo. Pero more importantly, you are operating doon sa love energy dapat. Yung vibration mo at ng situation or ng connection. Okay? Wala nang anger, wala nang sadness, wala nang disappointment. Okay? Now, at position 3, bago to interesting, basahin natin. No? So, may dog, may ibon. Manifestation, position 3 mo, ang sabi, the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, you mean what you want. You mean what you say, you feel what you desire. Parang ganun, no? Nandun yung focus and intention mo is because naniniwala ka doon. Okay, importante pinaniniwalaan mo kung ano yung focus at intention mo. The more fearless and free I am. Okay? So, the more na naniniwala tayo, no, sa may conviction ka sa pananalig mo, sa isang sitwasyon, sa connection, or sa pananampalataya mo. No? Energy and intention, pinagsasama mo yon sa something na naniniwala ako sa yung belief. So, yung perception na you can have it. For example, ay minamanifest tayo. Paniniwalaan mo talaga na dapat, kung ano yung gusto mo yung manifest, paniniwalaan mo na totoo yun. At makakatulong yun kasi, ilalet go mo na yung mga fear na the lacking thoughts, no, na parang kakulangan. I-let go mo yun. Kasi kung maniniwala tayo, tapos consciously naman, nagda-doubt ka, it will never work. Okay? So, huwag mag-doubt. Tanggalin yung fear at doon ka eventually makaka-ramdam ng freedom na slowly ito, mangyayari to, ina-anticipate ko to. Yung may expectation ka pa rin na ito ang mangyayari, ito yung dinidesire ko na outcome. Yung focus and intention mo, ilalagay mo lang doon sa pananalig mo, sa mga paniniwala mo na yan, mangyayari yan. Basta, huwag ka mag-ooperate sa manifestation mo na yung one thing, like gusto mo ng happiness, and sa reality mo, malungkot ka. So, dapat nagmamatch, di ba? So, i-support mo, i-align mo, di ba? Through your energy and intention, yung paniniwala mo, okay? Huwag ka mag-ooperate sa energy na takot ka. Okay? So, experience freedom, no? Na wala sa control natin. So, everything operates sa vibration, okay? It's not more on external work alone. Yung lahat na nagsisimula, lahat ng gusto mo i-manifest, galing yan sa within you. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi dito, no? So, wala tayo nung scarcity mindset or lacking thoughts na parang yung iniisip natin, I don't have this, I don't have that. Wag ganon pag nagmamanifest. Okay? Okay, Gemini, sa may tutubi, no? External energy, ang sabi, I always trust the direction of the universe, your Lord, God, Allah, Jesus Christ, whatever your belief system is, magtiwala ka sa direction na yon na sinasabi, and know I'm being guided. So yun, trust kung saan ka nililed, no? Ng situation right now, yung external energy na yan, it's good for you. Tong external energy na to, I think, no, may purpose to kung nasaan ka ngayon, where you're at right now. No? Let love lead you. Love of our Creator, love for yourself, yung love ng ibang tao, ang mag-lead sa'yo sa tamang direksyon. Okay? So, I hope it makes sense. Pero sa manifestation mo, please abandon na yung mga low vibrational energy like worries. Okay? Pag nagmamanifest tayo, you want this. Fix dapat ang ating thoughts. Okay? Ng ating nararamdaman doon sa gusto natin. Okay? So, yun ang external energy mo. So, huwag kang matakot kasi you are being guided definitely ng iyong Creator. Okay? At the 5th position. Ito yung kailangan natin ibigay sa sarili natin. Okay? Ang sabi, I am unapologetic about what I desire. See? So, ang sinasabi ko nga, yun ang exact word. Nag-connect sa manifestation mo. You should be unapologetic about what you desire. This is what I want. This is what I deserve. Continue affirming and believing hanggang maging totoo. Huwag kang magkaroon ng room for doubt or anxiety. No? Huwag tayo mag-focus doon. Dapat mas lamang yung unapologetic ka about what you desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. So, feeling ko talaga, in connection talaga tong 1 and 2 and 3 and 5. Okay? So, I hope it makes sense, no? Kasi nakikita ko yung connection, eh. Now, at position 6, Gemini, nandito naman yung mga new beginnings mo. Ang ganda, dilaw. So, positivity, optimism, masaya, the sun, joy, no? Ito, sabihin natin, ang sabi dito, when I accept the love of the universe, your Creator, your God, no, as my primary teacher. So, sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, your primary teacher, kasi sinasabi dito, I always trust the direction of the universe, your God, your Creator, whatever you believe, and know you're being guided. So, nag-follow through siya, yung 4th at 6th, sa new beginning mo. External energies mo, in alignment sa mga new beginnings mo, no? So, i-accept mo doon yung love ng yung Creator or ng universe as your primary teacher. So, it's trying to teach you something. Okay? Hindi siya punishment. Okay? Huwag niyo isipin na pinaparusahan or parang bad or good karma ba to or what. Wala. It's just, it's meant to teach you something lang. Lahat tayo, we go through that. I will always be guided back to the light. So, you will never be lost. Okay? If at one point na-confused tayo, may uncertainty, walang movement, walang galaw, check on your manifestations. Medyo ba natatagalan lang dahil mas lamang yung mga energies na hindi makakatulong para makuha natin yung bagay na yon. Okay? There's something lacking to it. So, it's your Creator. The universe is trying to teach you something here at ibabalik ka. I-redirect ka uli. Okay? Everything will make sense finally para sa'yo. And parang parang may pushback at one point pero finally may movement uli. Kasi may shift sa perspective mo. Kasi lahat ng changes, lahat ng galaw, magsisimula yan within you. What you contemplate, kung ano yung ini-imagine mo, kaya mo maging totoo yan. Okay? I hope it makes sense. Now, at position 6, no, Gemini, ang sabi, ito yung kailangan mong matutunan, you have yet to learn, or dapat mong matutunan, or natutunan mo recently. In every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right-minded thinking. Okay? And the energy of love. So, nag-evolve yung theme ng reading mo, Gemini, sa positive thoughts. Okay? Maybe lately, ang hirap din kasi, it's mastery, we should be aware also sa mga iniisip natin, sa mga dinedesire natin. Kung mas lamang ang mga negative thoughts, bawasan. I-negate mo agad, i-counter mo agad yon. Let's say, nahihirapan tayo sa trabaho natin, bago sa atin, sabihin mo, kaya ko to, I will be successful sa ganitong klaseng trabaho, okay? Kasi ito yung minanifest ko, at hindi to ibibigay sa akin if walang akong matututunan dito. I'm being led to do this. Parang ganon, okay? I'm being led on this situation to do this, to learn something from it. Okay, so right-minded thinking ang ina-advise tayo, Gemini. So sana nag-resonate sa inyo tong monthly Tagalog reading na to, Gemini, no? Sa mga hindi nag-resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Gemini. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. See you guys on your next month reading. Bye!